started, we gotta get to these scenic views they talk about on the All Trails app. A bear was definitely sleeping there last night. I would never lie to you. Boy, maybe this was a bad idea. You can actually see the city a little bit. Let's take a look. Can humans eat acorns? Coming up is peaceful. This trail, there is quite a bit of people though coming on it, so. Let's go, guys, let's go! We just started, we gotta get to these scenic views they talk about on the All Trails app.
We're out here hiking, enjoying it.
A little cold, it's a little nipply out.
Yeah, it's a little nipply, huh?
It looks like this is like a stream, maybe some water or something comes down here. Kind of cute. Down here, a bear must have rested on here. You see how all the leaves are bent over? A bear was definitely sleeping there last night. I would never lie to you. Boy, maybe this was a bad idea. Alright. I don't know if we're almost there, but we're gonna keep walking. You gotta watch out for rattlesnakes. Oh. Oh, God. I forgot to mention, my legs are really sore because I decided to run a mile. I'm used to running in the gym, and I decided to run in like the actual world yesterday. So my body's like sore, my thighs are so sore. But the way to get your body to stop hurting is to keep on doing it, right? So that's why I'm out here hiking, trying to get unsore so I can have fun again. Wow, I like these cool little steps here. This is a maintained trail. Oh yeah, she might actually be more thumbnail. Alright. Keep going. You can actually see the city a little bit. Let's take a look. The country in San Diego. Keep up. Yeah, look at the little moths. I heard, or I saw on Etsy, you can get these bath mats that are made of moss. And I thought it was cool because it feels good, right? But at the same time, like, bugs. You guys know by now how much I hate bugs. Seems like a good idea. Like, you get out of the bath, the shower, and water's just dripping from your body, and it just goes right on there. And there, you know, little solar system. Is that what it's called? Ecosystem, solar system kind of thing going on. You be good to me, I be good to you. I give you water. And then I do have, they don't need that much light, right? That's why moss grows in shaded areas, because it doesn't need sunlight. So the bathroom probably should be good, right? If nothing else, fake moss. Feels good. huff and puff too much, don't I? I'm always. It's just I need more air in my lungs than most people. Oh gosh. I bet the little squirrels love these. Cause look at these little acorns. Ooh! Try not to touch them because they'll fall off, right? Can humans eat acorns? Falling along these sharp rocks. So I'm actually glad I came hiking versus going to the beach a little bit, even though I love the beach, don't get me wrong. But the ground, if you notice, it's not even that muddy. At the beach, if I would have put my blanket down, it definitely would have been too wet. I came hiking with my friend and she said it's like hiking with a 5-year-old because I'm very careful and I don't want to fall. I think that's being responsible. Whatever. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, and this is why I walk like a 5-year-old. Almost died there, guys. Alright. We're almost done. Ready to go home. Not coming off as peaceful. This trail, there is quite a bit of people though coming on it, so I don't know. I do like how it seems like you're kind of by yourself though. I like the tall shrubbery and stuff, but I don't know. It was needed. It was good. Work off a couple calories before the turkey.
I walked out, the teacher was going in, and I was like, oh shit. Oh.
Claire Culver, post 10 would be proud.
Alright, you survived the hike. How do you feel?
Barely.
You're alive.
I need some ceviche, Peruvian ceviche. It's my favorite food. If you want me to love you, get me Peruvian ceviche with the corn. And avocado.
I need to take a moment and say how beautiful you look in this lighting. You look,
me?
yeah, you look great.
Me?
You. Miss Hike. Miss Yoga. Miss Meditation. Miss Beauty.
Continue.
Miss Intelligentsia.
Don't forget fine.
She's fine. She's smart. She's beautiful. So we made it out. You survived.
Barely.
How you feeling now?
Hungry.
All right, you want to get some food? We can get some food. I'm dying with the sun.
Feed me, feed me.
I can do that. We survived. Let's do it. Let's get out of here.
Let's go. Remember there's that TikTok challenge where they're trying to get old people to skip? I didn't know if I could still do it, but apparently I can. It's the end of the hike, everybody, so stay tuned for more. Maybe we'll be at the beach, maybe we'll be another hike. Maybe it'll be a travel video. That's all we do on this channel. So tune in. And yeah, I will see you later.